Here, welcome to part 3 of my 8 most essential guitar chord series. Today we're going to be tackling the dreaded F chord, one of the toughest chords for beginners and what causes most students to quit learning their chords. Let's take a look at the notes found within the F chord, and we're going to find a much easier way of playing this today. When we look at the F chord, there's only 3 notes for you music and theory enthusiasts out there. There's only 3 notes in the F chord, an F, an A, and a C. But if we look at this bar chord, what we have in order is an F, a C, an F, an A, a C, and an F. That's too many F, A, and C's, right? I mean, that's a lot of repetition. That's like bringing 6 Italian uncles named Tony to your family reunion. We get it. You're all related, but let's make it simpler. We're going to hold down our 3rd finger here on the 4th string, 3rd fret. That's an F note. We're going to hold down our 2nd finger here on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. That's an A note. And finally, we're going to put our 1st finger over here on a C note, which is on the 2nd string, 1st fret. So we have these 3 notes, F, A, and C on strings 2, 3, and 4. And when we play it, we're going to strum from the 4th string all the way up to the 1st string, and it's okay to include that open 1st string. This voicing, or this version of the chord, works because we're still hitting all the notes required to make that F major chord, the F, the A, and the C note. We're just not allowing ourselves to play all those extra notes that make your hand cry for help. You know, by trimming the notes down to the core tones, the 3 notes, F, A, and C, you're doing what most pro players do all the time, simplifying the voicing while still getting the point across. And guess what? Most of the time, especially in your rhythm guitar playing, nobody's listening for those extra strings anyways. This isn't cheating, it's just playing smarter. But there is an even better way of playing this if we add a 4th note. Our chord. Let's come up with a version that gives us a full sound without using a bar. This is the 4-note F chord. Let's give it a shot. So for this one, we're going to be employing this 4th finger, the pinky, which is the weakest finger. This is like the bench warmer of the team, right? It's the shortest, it's the weakest finger of all. We're going to take our 3rd finger and put it over here on the 5th string, 3rd fret. While holding that down, we're going to take our 4th finger, put it over here on the 4th string, 3rd fret. And then we're going to take our 2nd finger and put it over here on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then take our 1st finger and put it over here on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. So what notes do we have now? We have the notes C, F, A, C. So with this version, we can accomplish a full sound in the same way we can with a bar without having to bar. And we strum this from the 5th string all the way up to the 1st. So now you've got 2 ways to play that F chord that actually work and won't make your hand want to call in sick for work. Did that rhyme? I think it did. These shapes not only sound great, but they're much easier on your fingers, and they're going to keep you moving forward much faster without all the frustration. Now in next week's video, we're going to be combining all the chords learned so far in this series, which are C, A minor, G, E minor, and F. We're going to be putting them together in a really cool song that you're going to love. So make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss this next lesson. And now, let me know in the comments, when it comes to this F chord, is this new to you? Has it caused you any frustration in the past? I'd love to hear how it's going for you, and if these chords that I'm presenting today are a much better solution for you. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.